When it comes to choosing new windows for your Glendale home, it's important to find a balance between beauty, function, and performance. One window style that consistently checks all three boxes is the double-hung window. Known for its timeless design, versatility, and easy operation, this classic window style remains a favorite among Glendale homeowners looking for a combination of traditional charm and modern efficiency. Whether you're building a new home or replacing outdated windows, here's why double-hung windows continue to be one of the smartest investments you can make. Timeless design that fits any Glendale home. One of the biggest reasons double-hung windows are so popular in Glendale is their ability to complement any home style. From historic craftsman homes to contemporary designs, these windows provide a clean, balanced look that enhances both interior and exterior appeal. Their symmetrical design features two operable sashes, one that slides upward and another that slides downward, creating a look that's both traditional and elegant. Whether you live in an older Glendale neighborhood or a modern development, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with your home's architecture. Easy operation and everyday convenience. Double-hung windows are built for comfort and convenience. Because both the upper and lower sashes open, you have complete control over ventilation. Open the top sash to let out warm air or the bottom sash to let in fresh air, or adjust both for maximum airflow. Many modern models feature tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass safely from inside your home. This is especially convenient for multi-story homes or hard-to-reach windows. Glendale homeowners appreciate that these windows make maintenance a breeze without the need for ladders or professional cleaning services. Improved energy efficiency for Glendale's climate. Glendale experiences plenty of sunshine and warm temperatures throughout the year, which makes energy efficiency an important consideration. Double-hung windows are designed with tight seals, multi-pane glass, and insulated frames that help reduce heat transfer and improve comfort year-round. Many energy-efficient options include low-E coatings that reflect heat and harmful UV rays, keeping your home cooler during Arizona's hot summers while reducing strain on your air conditioning system. In winter, these same features help trap warm air indoors, lowering heating costs and maintaining consistent temperatures. By upgrading to high-quality double-hung windows, Glendale homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable home environment every season. Enhanced safety and ventilation options. Because both sashes can be adjusted independently, double-hung windows offer a level of ventilation flexibility and safety that other window types can't match. You can keep the bottom sash closed while opening the top one, allowing air circulation while keeping children and pets safe inside. This feature makes double-hung windows an ideal choice for families who value both comfort and security. Plus, their sturdy locking mechanisms and reinforced frames provide additional protection against intruders. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern double-hung windows are built to last. With materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, they resist cracking, peeling, and warping, even in Glendale's dry desert heat. Unlike traditional wood windows that require frequent painting or sealing, these low-maintenance options retain their appearance for decades with minimal upkeep. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to the tilt-in sash design. Just release the latch, tilt the sash inward, and wipe down the glass. No tools or professional cleaning required. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Replacing outdated or inefficient windows is one of the fastest ways to increase your home's resale value. Double-hung windows add a polished, updated look that buyers love, while their energy-efficient performance makes your home more attractive on the market. In Glendale's competitive real estate scene, these windows offer both style and practicality, a winning combination that delivers immediate and long-term value. The smart choice for Glendale homeowners. For Glendale homeowners, double-hung windows offer the perfect mix of beauty, functionality, and efficiency. Their classic design enhances your home's appearance, while their energy-saving features help lower costs and improve comfort year-round. Whether you're remodeling, upgrading, or building new, double-hung windows are a reliable investment that pays off in performance, convenience, and value. When you're ready to take the next step, contact a local Glendale window installation expert who understands the region's climate and can recommend the best energy-efficient options for your home. With professional installation and quality materials, your new double-hung windows will deliver comfort and peace of mind for years to come.